Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is another one of my videos that I make pretty rarely. I make them rarely because I have like a lot of things to do. I don't really have the time. Like there's not really like I'm trying to make them, but that's not my only excuse. I also like I also don't play as good, to be honest. Like right now I just got two deaths and like I killed only one person with the shuriken. So yeah, see. Just please don't leave the video. This is only at the beginning. Then I'll start playing actually good. So yeah. Please also subscribe if you haven't already. So yeah, my goal of this video is to teach you that in this map, it's very useful to use chainsaw, at least as a secondary. Although chainsaw is usually not a good weapon.